How to enable efficiency mode in Task Manager. So if you want to enable efficiency mode in Task Manager, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have something running in the background, and then you need to right click on your taskbar, and then you will find an option of Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager option. Once you click on Task Manager, just wait for a few seconds. You'll get this kind of interface. Now, if you want to enable the efficiency mode, like for example, I'll just simply go and turn on the efficiency mode for Google Chrome. You need to right click on it, and then you need to go with efficiency mode. In my case, the efficiency mode is already turned on for Google Chrome. If you want to do that for your any other application, then just simply go and select it. Like for example, the VPS Office, you need to right click on it and then go with efficiency mode. Once you click on it, it will turn on the efficiency mode, or the efficiency mode will be enabled. Turning on efficiency mode may lower your process or your priority. So make sure which app you want to make the efficiency mode turn on. So that's how you can do that. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.